I hear nothing and I don't see flashing lights. And I can't zoom in on it anymore. Zoom out because I lost it.
That was further over.
I have no point of reference or nothing. Let's see if I can't zoom in on it again. It's still small zoomed in. I wish my camera would work, but it's a paperweight.
You can get right up on there with the camera.
Yeah, I'd be able to zoom in. Because if I could see the craters on the moon,
Yeah.
I'd be able to get a good video of that. So that's 3 nights in a row.
Yep. That's another one.
Too bad I ain't got no point of reference. Uh-oh, I lost it again. Or it's out of range for my phone.
Yeah, I can take pictures of mine with mine so they'll be dark.
It keeps coming in focus and out of focus on the phone. Well, that's it.